Is Icelandic sheep farming profitable? Yes, Icelandic sheep farming is profitable on small, medium and large scales, especially for when managed correctly, a small flock like this can yield significant returns. It's not uncommon.
20 Texel ewes plus 1 Texel ram. Lambing rate, 1.5 lambs per ewe per year. Total lambs per year, 30.
Here is the check for the 30 lambs.
Thank you. Pleasure doing business with you.
So that's 30 lambs at an average of 220. Comes to 6,600 total.
Perfect. We have a deal.
Expenses, feed, health, fencing, $3,000 to $3,500. Net profit, $3,000 to $3,600 per year for Texel sheep.
Profit increases significantly when herd size grows.
Sheep farming is profitable because merino sheep efficiently utilize grass and crop residue.
Dorper sheep offer great potential for various operations.
The financial projections are solid.
They integrate well with our crops.
Factors that affect profit: breed selection of Texel sheep, feed management of lambs, lamb survival rate of Dorset lambs.
Best sheep breeds for profit in the USA. Number 1, the Dorper, top profit breed. Best for meat, beginners, and low maintenance.
Fast growth and excellent meat quality. Hair sheep, no shearing needed.
Dorset. Best for year-round lamb production. Can breed out of season. Good meat quality and strong maternal traits.
Balanced diet is the key to fast growth. Green fodder, dry fodder, and concentrate feed.
Regular vaccination, deworming every 3 to 4 months, clean surroundings, isolate sick animals immediately.
5. Breeding management. Select strong and disease-free rams. Proper male to female ratio, 1 ram to 25 to 30 ewes.
Market and profit planning. No market demand. Direct selling gives better profit. Right timing means higher income.
Clean feeding troughs. Remove waste daily. Disinfect sheds regularly. Clean farm tell us fewer diseases for merino sheep.
Learn modern sheep farming methods. Consult veterinarians and keep updating your skills. Knowledge equals long-term success.
Thanks for watching. If you have any question, you can ask in comment section.